Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can use the random cut flash effect in CapCut PC to create a projector film-like video. So here I've already opened my video on the CapCut PC, and I'm going to just add the random flash cut effect. So this effect is new to CapCut and you can find it on trending or on the nightclub category. So this random flash cut, click on the plus icon to add it to your video. Here I'm going to trim it. And you can also adjust the atmosphere, blur, the chromatic, and also the speed, but I'm going to just leave it as it is. So this is how it will look like with the effect. It's like a projector film, like that. But to create a more like a projector vibe, you can just add the film projector sound effect. Just go to audio and click on the sound effect and search for film keyword here, and you can easily find the film projector sound effect, add it to the video. And now the video will look like this. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment if you have any questions, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorial. Bye!